Choptank River to Cambridge, in the Little Choptank River, Patchison River to Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 7:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northeast of Port Tobacco River to near you south. 3019 Memorial Bridge to near Wicomico River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Tuckle Creek, Town Creek, Drum Point, Hongo River, Fishing Bay, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Bivalve, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy and Taylor's Island. Here is the